Digital transformation enables government to put the needs of citizens first and build more inclusive, efficient and effective services that are available 365 days per year. It's all about putting the citizens at the centre of your transformation. The number one challenge facing governments around the world is how to deliver more services with fewer resources, which is why all tiers of government are accelerating their digital transformation initiatives.
I think there are three key challenges that the public sector is facing around digital transformation. The first really revolves around aging technology and some of the underinvestment that we've seen from the public sector in the past. The second challenge is really around the citizens themselves, whose expectations are evolving and changing on a daily basis. And finally, I guess some of the traditional sources of revenue for local government particularly is being eroded, and I think government in general is being required to do more for less. And to do that, they really need to investigate alternative models for service delivery and improving efficiency while delivering better experiences.
So the challenges I see with the digital transformation with councils and government departments is being able to provide that consumer experience that citizens really don't get currently when they engage with the councils and with government departments.
From a public sector perspective, it's all about solving the needs of the business, solving the needs of citizens. It's not about technology for technology's sake. It's about meeting the business problem with technology and business process solutions.
Well, technology has evolved massively over the last few years. So we've seen things like autonomous vehicles become almost ready to drive. We've seen drones, cloud computing obviously, and IoT, and the impact of IoT on the potential for smart cities. We've seen massive advances in artificial intelligence and the impact that these technologies can have both on our work and our social lives. Now, government is obviously realising that they've got unique needs in some cases, and therefore they really need to provide modern applications that are easy to use, and this is why they're coming to use the ServiceNow platform.
Fujitsu and ServiceNow have been working together for multiple years across multiple industries. Through our partnership, customers can now streamline and automate workflows to create simple to use services for their citizens with the Citizen Engagement self-service portal.
It allows users to be able to submit and request and issues and capture information and view more detailed information about council services and government department services.
And what was great about the way that we worked together to develop this solution was the way it was done was the way that we would actually recommend these solutions are put together by our customers as well. And that is really using human-centered design and delivering the solution in an agile approach with lots of feedback and those testing cycles to really get it right.
Key features include self-service simple pre-built workflows, self-service citizen complaint workflow, multilingual self-service access to information, and an integrated chatbot capability. All features that improve the citizen's experience.
Fujitsu and ServiceNow collaborated using a technique that we call design thinking, and we actually gathered individuals from Europe, Asia and Oceania, and actually had them collaborating over a couple of sessions where we captured issues and requirements, and we found out that most of those issues and requirements were relatively universal. Interestingly enough, independently, both ServiceNow and Fujitsu have been looking at this citizen engagement as a solution for a while now, and we just basically pulled this together to provide a uniform solution between the two of us.
Some examples from customer activity where we've leveraged ServiceNow in transformation activities across federal, state and indeed local government. Delivering IT service management, self-service portals and tech lounge enablement, HR management and integrated risk management, and digitalisation of workflows.
We've seen how using digital workflows will increase the productivity of the workforce and allowing councils to do more for less. And also we've seen how using service design techniques for improving and some of those automated transactions and workflows can improve service performance and the experience for those citizens who are using and interacting with government.
So one of the benefits of the ServiceNow and Fujitsu citizen engagement platform is the ability to provide a consumer experience, but also to reduce the overheads of delivering those services by the city councils and the government departments.
We as Fujitsu benefit from a very tight relationship with ServiceNow, both in Australia and New Zealand, and also globally. Through this relationship and through the work of our people and our great teams, we're able to bring great outcomes to our customers every day.
One of the areas that we really felt could be improved for government was around the citizen engagement, and so that's why we really developed this solution.
The solution has strengthened the ServiceNow and Fujitsu partnership by bringing together the positives of both organisations and the strengths of both organisations to be able to deliver real positive change to city councils, departments and to citizens.
One of the great things about the Now platform is how quickly we were able to do all of this. So once we decided what was needed, Fujitsu literally took just a few weeks to build that initial solution, which was really impressive and should give customers confidence in how easily these workflows can be built and how great the partnership is between ServiceNow and Fujitsu in order to deliver these kinds of solutions.
So Fujitsu helps deliver and support the citizen engagement platform through its elite status partnership with ServiceNow. We have practice in both in Australia and New Zealand, and coupled that with our global experience. We've got a really good, solid, fantastic public sector experience, and we've combined that with our elite status and our implementation methodology to deliver the platform. We can support the platform 24/7 through our service desk and service management capabilities, and we can deliver that locally and globally. So no matter where you are in your digital transformation or your ServiceNow journey, Fujitsu can help with a ServiceNow design thinking workshop to help you better engage with your citizens and the public. So reach out to Fujitsu today.